Good morning, everybody. Dylan and I are at Road America in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin for a Ultimate Street Car event. And today's Friday. We're gonna do the full road course today. And then tomorrow we'll be doing some speed stop challenge and some autocrossing. But this is a bucket list track for me. This is big boy stuff. I have a lot of nerves about it. I've been playing Forza, trying to learn the track, watching in-car footage, studying a map. I think I got it down. I think the truck is totally ready, but there's still a lot of nerves involved with being it's such an iconic track and such a big track. I think this track's like 3.2 or 3.3 miles, so it's a pretty good sized track. Anyways, thanks for watching. Follow along. We'll see how the truck shakes out, see how I can handle it. It's been a few months since I've been in the driver's seat, so anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. What's up, everybody? We're still at Road America. Today's Friday. Today's road course day. We took the truck out this morning and did a morning session. Everything was pretty good. Handling feels awesome. Engine power feels incredible. So we went out and did like an orientation lap. Just checked out the course, make sure we got a lay of the land, do a good warm-up lap. And then my first hot lap, got behind a slow-moving vehicle and had to pass it, so overtook it. And then just through my first lap, so I had one good-ish hot lap, and then during my second hot lap, we started to get some misfires in the higher RPM. So we had to just kind of cruise and make it back into the pits. We came back in and got to work pulling the data out of our Motec, and we were getting some misfires from our crank and cam. Signals weren't syncing correctly. That was some initial calibration stuff that was just an oversight. So we went back in there, reset some of that stuff. All the sync is great with that. And while we were at it, we pulled out the 327 final drive gear out of the winter's quick change and put a 340 gear in it. In that front straight, we were doing about 140 miles an hour in the top of fifth. So now we've got an extra gear. Hopefully that'll give us more power out of the corners and more power to pull into sixth gear on the straight. So anyways, this afternoon we're gonna go back out and see what kind of time we can do. Thanks a lot. also display the back.
When he's driving around everywhere.
All right, everybody, things got kind of busy at Road America and I didn't shoot a little outro video, so I guess this is kind of a recap on our weekend. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday was a super busy day. We got back Sunday evening. Overall, we had a blast. The truck did really well, in my opinion. Always when you go out to a first event, you're gonna run into issues that you just couldn't have foreseen driving a vehicle around on the street. So everything considered, all the technology that's in this truck, all the things that have never been done before, man, for the first event, we did really good. You know, after only two sessions at Road America with a little motorcycle chicane, we ran a 249, I think it was, or a 252, I can't remember, whatever. But overall, super happy with that. We did have a rear main seal leak that came about that kind of shortened our road course time. We did make the road cruise, the drivability cruise we made back with 12 seconds to go. And then the autocross, honestly, I got a migraine and I went out for 3 runs and just got sick and didn't do anymore. So I think the truck with some tweaks and me with a bunch more seat time will be really, really good. So overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to doing more event coverage with this truck in the future. So thanks again, guys. See ya.